Hello, this is the ASUS webcam repair. The webcam is of course up there, and we'll start with taking out these two bottom screws. 1 and 2. They're a bit tricky to get out sometimes, however. And there we go. Next, you'll begin by peeling off the bevel. You could use your fingers or even a spudger to pry it up. Now this little square up here, that's the webcam. That entire rectangle is what we'll be replacing. And that cord is the webcam cable. It plugs down into the motherboard, but we won't worry about that right now. We're just replacing the actual webcam. First, you'll pry the cord up from its little things. There's a bit of tape too that you'll have to cut through. And then this one pulls straight out. Next, you'll pry up under the webcam. There's a bit of glue and also some metal tape holding it in, so you'll have to cut that through. And since this webcam is broken, it's fine to damage it as long as you don't damage anything else. We'll just pry it up. One, and there's the other side. That's the metal tape I was talking about. It goes all the way under. There's the webcam, there's the connection. Now we'll get a new webcam. Typically this will be from a dead device from the graveyard. You'll just have to harvest a webcam from one of those. And here's the new webcam. Now we'll just plug it in firstly. And then just set it in. It should stay in even without the metal tape and such, because the bevel will hold it in place. And it has little clips. Put the wire back where it should be so it doesn't pinch or anything when you put the bevel back on. Get the bevel, of course, put it back on, slides in, then you pop it down. Excuse me. And there we go. And of course, put the screws back in. And there's one. They're a bit tricky. There's one. And that's the second. There we go. It should work now. Of course, test it, but I know mine works. There we go.